Today I've decided to create a very easy no makeup look. So what I'm doing first is taking my favorite moisturizer, which is the Hydra Luxe by Youngblood, and I'm mixing it in with my Golden Tan Liquid Foundation, also by Youngblood. So by mixing the two together, I've created more like a tinted moisturizer as opposed to a foundation. I'm buffing this in with the Ariel brush by Morphe. It's a foundation brush and it is beautiful, very, very soft. And I'm just buffing this all over my face, over my ears, along my jawline and down my neck. And I'm just really creating a very sheer coverage. I just want that sort of look that I'm not really wearing makeup, but I do have just a small amount on, just to help even out my skin tone, possibly cut down some of that redness that's coming through my cheeks. I am also going to place this all over my eyes as well, so that will be the prep for my eyes as well. And up underneath my nose and under my eyes, and buffing that in really evenly. And you can use any foundation and any moisturizer combination for this. Just helps to sort of thin out your, Thin out your foundation. Now, this is the other product I'm going to use. This is a St Renais lipstick. And the tone or shade that I have, and I'm probably going to say this wrong, is called Castiglione. And it is a really nice, I don't really want to say brown, but it is a really neutral shade. And it is a lip and cheek tint. Now, what I'm going to use it for is obviously my lips at first, and it is a gorgeous shade, and now I'm buffing it onto my cheeks. I'm using the same brush that I used before because this way it'll just thin it out a little bit and mix it in nicely with the foundation. Now I'm going a step further with this product, and I've decided to use it on my eyes. So I'm just placing the lipstick over my eyelid, just over that mobile lid, right on the ball of the eye. And I'm just rubbing it in just to get a little bit more of that color payoff. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm using it, and you can see that I'm pressing relatively hard because it is a thick, creamy product. And I'm just pushing that into that eye and up into the eye socket and just really spreading it out over that brow bone. And you can see it is a beautiful shade, creating a really nice contour of the eye. So simple and so easy. And do the same with the other side. Now I've kept this video in real time to see exactly how quick this is. And the whole video has only taken me 5 minutes to complete. So it really is a 5-minute makeup. So once again, just right into that corner. Now, because it is such a nice contour tone, I've decided to contour my face with it as well. You can see that I've had to use my fingers. I'm really close to that brush to really work that in and create a really nice defined contour just under my cheekbones. And because I painted that on with the lipstick and not the foundation brush, it is a little bit darker than my cheeks, which works in really, really well. I'm also going to contour my forehead here as well and down on my jawline. This just creates shape, like I always do this sort of contouring, and it also helps to warm up and frame my face. And it's just such a beautiful look, especially heading into summer. Just looks like I've just been sun-kissed. It's all in the same shades. So, so pretty. I am going to add just a small amount more of that shade over my eyeball, just using my finger, just to really deepen that color. I just felt that I'd lost a little bit of that color. I just really want it to sort of stand out a bit more. Combing through my brows, because I feel like this is all I need to do. They are tinted, so we are trying to keep this as natural as possible. I'm going to swipe through my lashes with a little bit of the Mineral mascara. This is also by Youngblood Mineral Cosmetics. I love this one. It's easy to put on and it helps to separate those lashes. So just popping it through, and the bottom lashes as well. Now, instead of concealer, I've actually just taken a little bit of foundation just by itself, not mixed in with the moisturizer. And I'm using a very small brush, and I'm just going to highlight just up underneath my eyes and anywhere where I feel I need a little bit of lightness to come through the face. And this is just a really simple way of doing it because we didn't use the foundation on its own. Just a nice fluffy brush and really just gently making those areas stand out just a little bit more. Last but not least, I'm going to take the Mineral translucent powder. This one is the loose, and I'm just placing that over those creamy areas just to really set them and absorb some of that excess oil. I'm not going to over do my face because I want it nice and natural.